2, 1.
What's up, YouTube? Stonebraker does stuff. Today's date, we're just gonna get right into the date because I will forget it if I don't say it right away. It is a beautiful Wednesday. Hold on. Wednesday, June 12th, 2024. And yet again, I had to cheat and look at my phone to make sure. You know, I thought it was the 12th, but there's a part of me that thought it was the 13th. So tired of being wrong in these videos. We're gonna double check. I got my Strava pulled up. So it's 7:28 p.m. and I know I kind of mentioned it at the beginning just a second ago, but it is a gorgeous day. A little muggy, but you know, it is, we're into June now, so that's probably gonna be the commonplace for the rest of the year, the rest of the riding season here. Out on the Ebike E26, full battery charge. I rode the Ehora X7 a lot last week. I was gonna ride it today too, but again, I'm just too lazy to charge batteries, it seems. So we're gonna go with whatever had the full battery charge, and today it's the Ebike. And I wasn't gonna actually do a ride today. It's been a busy week. Monday, my niece had a softball game. Yesterday, Tuesday, my niece had another softball game. And then she has a game tomorrow. So I was gonna actually record one tomorrow before her game, but I only have a couple hours between when I get off work and then what time her game starts. And you know, I like to relax. I gotta take my old man 5:30 p.m. nap that I take about every day. It just never fails. I get off work and then within 15 or 20 minutes, I'm on the couch for probably, you know, anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. I remember being a kid, and my mom would always take a nap after work, or a lot of people I knew, their parents would like take naps. I never understood it. Well, I'm sorry. I understand why you take naps. Don't have a physically demanding job, but you know, you get off work sometimes. And also, what adds into my need for a nap is, I turned on my air conditioning. You know, I probably turned it on a little bit earlier this year than what I typically do, but I've had it on the, like the lowest setting, and then you can put it to like low cool, medium cool, high cool, and then, you know, like 1 to 10. So I've had it on the lowest, but I've turned it up a little bit to make it a little bit more cooler, and just something about like super cold air. And I work from home, so you know, it's relatively quiet in my house. So when I get off work, it's just like, okay, this is the perfect scenario to take a nap. So if you can relate to them late afternoon after work naps, go ahead and give a thumbs up here. And yet again, the never-ending story, I'm back here out on the trail. So I've been riding, even though I haven't recorded the last, let's see, I recorded Saturday and today's Wednesday. So Sunday I did go out, and I think I rode Sunday, maybe 25 miles in town. I was out here for a while. I did the trail a few times. I actually kind of went out and did some back roads that I've not ridden on before. And so I did about 25 miles, and then I know Monday, even though I didn't record, I did ride a little bit before my niece's game. So I've definitely still been riding. I've just not really felt like recording. And I really like those long rides where I can just listen to music and, you know, do 15 or 20 miles and go home and not have to worry about editing for 2 hours. And I have, the last couple times it's kind of funny because I've always said, well, there's one right there, a deer. But I've always said, and especially in my earlier videos, that every time I go out, I'm gonna take my camera and I'm gonna record. Well, that's definitely changed a little bit. But the last couple times this week that I've rode, you know, things have happened. Like, there's always deer out here. You probably can't see it, but there's a deer there. There's one there, and that one's running. But Sunday when I was down here on the trail, there was a deer right on the trail, which is, I think, where this one's going too. Yep. And there was a big ass tree right there. So I could not get past, and I'm gonna slow down. Hopefully this dude will, I'll allow him to pass on the trail. But yeah, always animals out here. It's like, but that deer that was out here next to this tree that was completely, this tree limb that was down, there was no way to get past it. But he was just on the trail, not scared, nothing, literally just hanging out on the trail. Eventually he did take off running towards this way. And the one that was there, he just took off here too. So I gotta be a little careful. I don't want a deer to, run out in front of me. It would make for a nice video topic though, but I'd rather not have a broken arm or a dislocated shoulder, because that's happened to me quite a few times in my youth. The dislocations, not the broken arms, thank God. But I think we're good. But yeah, the tree limb was right here. Couldn't get by it. And then, was it Monday? Yeah, Monday when I was riding on the other part of the trail, there was another tree limb down. The one good thing though about living in a small town is everybody knows everything that's going on. So I came out here, the tree limb is down, and then the next day, must be the town workers had already come out with a chainsaw and chopped it up and moved it along so you could get through. And we'll go past the other one. I'm sure it's the same way as well. I'm sure they've gone through and got it already. And I know eventually one of these times something crazy is gonna happen and I'm not gonna have my GoPro with me and I'm gonna be so pissed off. Like something exciting. Like exciting, for you guys to see, not exciting for like the world. Like, we're not gonna get abducted by aliens or, you're not gonna have any Independence Day style stuff going on. At least I don't think so. There's a little bunny right there to my right, just scared the crap out of me. But yeah, I know I say this in a lot of videos, but hopefully you guys, wherever you are, whether it's in the States, I've had a few viewers looking at the stats from like the United Kingdom and Canada. Like, is it snowing in Canada? I don't know anything about Canada, so if you guys could fill me in on the weather in Canada right now. When I think of Canada, I just instantly think of hockey, Bret the Hitman Hart, and snow. So if there's 3 other ways to describe Canada, please let me know. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying some of the same weather. It's just something about sunshine and warm weather this time of year makes you want to get out and ride your bike a little bit more and ride it for a little bit longer. So if you've got an e-bike, hopefully you're taking advantage of it. If you don't got an e-bike, get outside, get a sunburn, get a 2nd degree sunburn, nothing too bad. Don't stay out too long. Maybe you get that 2nd degree sunburn, tough it out a little bit. Definitely avoid the 3rd degree though. Don't want to go down that route, I should say. Little bugs, man, they're everywhere. Really annoying. I think we're gonna go ahead and turn around right here and we will go back and hit the other part of that trail. All but 50 miles of it has probably been spent on this. Well, hey, there's a raccoon right there. I told you they're everywhere. As long as he doesn't chase me. That last one chased me, so let me go to pedal assist 5 just to avoid that. There we go. All right. But yeah, so second home. If I didn't have this, I would not have a YouTube channel. No, I'd still have an e-bike, I won't lie. I'd probably still have a bike, but I definitely wouldn't record my rides because this is what makes it interesting for me, You got a nice countryside view. You get wild animals like raccoons, deers. Still waiting for Bigfoot to attack me. And it just makes the videos that much more lively and gives me some more stuff to talk about. And I've talked about it a lot, but man, I love this spot right here on the trail. It's so covered with the leaves and there's a deer right there. They are everywhere. What's up, man? Did he make it over that fence? Yep, he did. Okay. I tell you what, I feel like I am, like if I was a deer hunter, I'd be in heaven. But I'm not, and I'm still in heaven. This is beautiful, right? I mean, come on. Always gotta have your eyes on a swivel, though. You never know. An old papa deer is gonna jump out in front of you. Wait for this Jeep to go. Oh, they're gonna wait for me to go. Not had to do with any major issues besides the mock wheel and the mystery of the squeaky brakes that never want to go away, even though I've not really done anything to fix it. That's on me. I've not had any issues. Knock on handlebar. I don't have any wood, I don't think, to knock on, so I can't knock on wood. But yeah, it's kind of floors me to think about that too, how some people can, you know, they get the exact same bikes and some people have no issues with it for thousands of miles. And then you get some people that, you know, they can't go 50 miles without something cracking out on it. So I think it's just like a, I don't know, luck of the dice or whatever. I don't know how to explain that. Again, I highly endorse this Life Water. It's like $2 at your local gas station. So if you like water and you like gas stations, then combine the two and go get you some Life Water. So again, kudos to the city workers in my town. Always been on top of things with the trail, keeping things rideable and clean so people like me can record C- quality YouTube content for probably 40 people. They know what's important in life. I can't believe I've been recording for almost 22 minutes. Damn. I wanted to go down on this trail, but if we've already been recording for 22 minutes, I don't want to put out a huge video. Yeah, here's where the tree limb was. And I swear it was way bigger than that. I'm not exaggerating. It was like the size of a mountain, pretty much. A big tree limb, wood, mountain. I don't even know what type of wood this is, or I would have made a comment about it being a specific type of wood, but that's not gonna happen. Oh man. We'll do a little bit on this part of the trail. I always like to get this part of the trail in because there's usually a lot of activity down here. And when I mean activity, I have animals, obviously, but there always seems to be like I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, YouTube, okay? So I know I trust YouTube to keep my secrets, but there's been a few times that I've been down here and on the other side there's a parking lot where everybody parks when they come and walk the trail. I have seen some hanky-panky going on. People park there trying to get out of everybody's way, and I've seen a couple people with other people that are with other people. So we might be talking about some Jerry Springer stuff coming up shortly, but I've kept my mouth shut and, you know, YouTube, keep my secret, okay? Don't find out where I'm at and go out on social media sites. But yeah, so yeah, there seems to be a melting pot down here at this little parking area of either, I'm trying to think of how I can explain this. It's either people that have been in relationships / married. Move little. All right, I thought that little groundhog was gonna get ran over. But it seems to be people that have been married for decades, or people that are younger, maybe in their mid-20s, early 20s, that are in relationships. And I don't know, I guess this is just the spot where they go to, can we say meet up with some other people in town? But we'll get off that topic. This is not a gossip YouTube channel. This is a e-bike YouTube channel. So, you know, we might see that up ahead though, but hopefully not. I'm gonna keep that off the channel here. You know what, we might not even, you know what, let's complete it. Who cares? We're gonna bump up to pedal assist 2 just so we can get more of a ride in. I get so caught up on just an easy, simple ride on pedal assist 1 that sometimes I forget it makes for a slower video, slower ride. Always running over tree limbs, little stuff on the trail, and every time I run it over, I feel like I popped a tire or something. It's worrisome, makes me worry. Because if a tire goes down for me, the e-bike is probably gonna go down for a long time because I don't have the skill nor the knowledge to figure out how to change a tire on this or even how to begin with that. So I'm always trying to avoid alleys and things like that where there might be little pieces of broken glass and all that good stuff, because I do not, whoa, here's a tree limb that's about down, holy crap. If I wasn't paying attention, that just would have ran right into that. Let's take another swig of this refreshing water. well, I get bombarded with bugs. So we'll see. All right, so today, as I take this right turn here, you guys can see the parking lot is empty. I'll kind of show you the little magical spot I'm talking about. It's this, these two right here. Yeah, there's a P sign that says no parking. I think that they need to put an H in front of that P for hanky panky. No hanky panky right there, especially you married people. Can't trust a woman for days, I swear. All right, let's bump it up here. This is probably where I'm gonna hit a deer now. Let's go up to pedal assist 5. Let's get some speed, make the ride go quick. They really need to get that tree limb down. That's gonna fall. And you can't, you gotta duck. It's crazy. All right, so I think my Strava speed is way off. I think actually, yeah, Strava's not working clearly. All right, let's see if we can get up to, I've had this up to like 30 before, giving it some leg power. I know I didn't have a heart attack. I saw that comment that whoever edited my video put, and I don't know who the editor is. You know what? Nah, let's just keep it. Give it some leg power. All right, let's see what we can do now. Not a good time to do this going uphill a little bit. All right, that's good enough. Damn, we've about hit 30 minutes. All right, so due to the length of the video, I'm gonna have like 10 minutes to edit out of this bad boy. Nice little ride tonight. Did a little bit of the trail. Had a nice little Wednesday conversation. You know, Wednesday's right in the middle of the week. Just get out here and ride, conversate, get out of breath for, go. Okay, I was exaggerating a little bit. All right, guys, so we have hit 30 minutes on this video, which means probably 10 to 12 minutes of editing I gotta do, which means I'm gonna be editing longer than what I want to. So ending the ride, not at the apartment, on the trail. As always, guys, thank you for spending your time helping me waste my time. I'm gonna go home, edit this video, enjoy the rest of my night. Hopefully you guys do too. This will be uploaded Thursday. I'll have a video this weekend as I talked about, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.